Hey you guys, and what is up? So today I am doing a quick little flip through of some amazing planners and happy notes. This is like very similar to Stargazer. It is Stargazer as a matter of fact, and I can't wait to flip through it. I know this is a collection that has been very loved, so I'm sure there's going to be very excited people to see this collection coming back. So how about let's start with the happy notes, because that is the quickest to probably flip through. I will leave all the information on the screen right now where these will be available and when, and I'll also leave that information on the description box so you know where to find these. And this is the cover that we have. So it does say trust the universe. Ooh, look at the inside. Very celestial and very similar to what we've seen. So that is exciting because I know it's so loved. Even the stars admire you. Look at this note paper. And I'm pretty sure it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. Don't ever stop looking to the stars. There's a random piece of paper in there. Stay in your magic. This is the inside of the cover, and this is the back. So pretty. Okay, let me set that off to the side. Then the next thing we have here is a happy planner. I did have a broken disc, which must have happened in shipping because there was a lot of stuff in my box. But anyways, I have an extra one of these either way, and if that ever happens to you, you can contact customer support and they would be happy to replace it for you. So this is the 18-month planner and the vertical layout. Vertical, stay in your magic. Ooh, look at the inside of that cover. So good. I always love the insides of the covers for some reason. Hello Stargazer, this happy planner belongs to, and it has your year overview, year at a glance for the full 18 months. This is your currently page. Ooh, I love that small detail right here. This is the month of July, and it is foiled like a very this is like silver foiled because the discs are silver glitter. This is the monthly view, the weekly. I'm not going to flip through everything, but I am going to show you the first couple of months because, yeah, it alternates from teal to this purple. And it does the same thing over here. Yeah. And in September, we get this like darker blue, kind of like a lapis color. And I'm assuming, yeah, it goes back to this green, this teal color. So cute. Okay, so I'm gonna now go ahead and flip through the months so you can see those. So December, this is November, December, January, February, Free Spirit. This is a really pretty divider. March, what does that say? Anything is possible. I couldn't read it because of the foil. April, May, June, July. It's so pretty. August, September, October, November, and December. Oh, so gorgeous. And then the notes page. And then this right here is the back cover. So pretty. So that is what that looks like. And I believe this big is going to be identical to that planner, but obviously in the big size. So good. So you're going to see all the reflection, but it says, she walked in the moon dust and stars were sprinkled in her hair. So the inside of the cover is exactly the same as the classic size. So this is the same. Hello Stargazer, this big happy planner belongs to, I would assume it's going to be the same. Let's compare it. Yeah, the same. This is like, it looks a little bit darker than the classic size. I'll put it side by side. See, as you can tell, just a little bit darker. But nonetheless, it's the same, which I would assume then the colors, yeah, teal and teal. And then we go into August, which is the same as the classic size. So it does, again, alternate to the purple, and then it goes into this blue color. It looked a lot deeper over here, but it's the same divider, kind of like a lapis color. But I'll go ahead and flip through it now just so you can see it. It's October, November, December, January, February, March. This one's so pretty. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And then we have the notes paper in the back. So pretty. And then this is the back, which just has, it's just black, but so pretty. So this will be available on Tuesday. Sorry, I'm just grabbing the happy notes, but I will leave all of the information on the description box and also on the screen so you know when the release is happening, the dates. There's also coupon code, so I'll make sure to leave all that information. And yeah, if you have any questions, definitely let me know. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, again, let me know. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye.